I will guide you through the entire process of making this beautiful looking cake in a step-by-step tutorial. From mixing the batter for this cake, from baking this cake, making the buttercream, and you decorating like a pro with simple tools. So whether you're a beginner or you're just looking for a birthday cake design idea, this video have you covered. Hi foodies, my name is Oma Cakes and Food, and in this channel we teach you everything that have to do with cakes and food. So if today is your first time on my channel, please don't make it your last time. Join my YouTube family by hitting the subscribe button. Subscription is free, and if you already subscribed to my channel, know that you're my real MVP. Please let me know your name and where you're watching me from under the comment section. I'll definitely give you a shout out in my next one. These are all the ingredients you'll be using for this. This is 500 grams of margarine. You can use butter, and this is my flour. This is an all-purpose flour, 500 grams, and this is sugar, 300 grams. In here I have my 10 egg. I'll be making use of 10 egg. This egg is almost equivalent to 500 grams, my baking powder and my flavor. First of all, we'll go ahead by sifting our flour. We are doing this to incorporate air into our flour and as well sift out the lumps and dirt in our flour. Go ahead to add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and then turn this generously to combine to your flour. After doing this, set it aside, and now let's work on our margarine. This is our 500 grams I showed you earlier we are using for this recipe. This is same thing with 2 sachets butter or margarine. You would have to turn only the margarine for a while until it is fluffy and soft in your hand when turning. I'm using a wooden spatula to turn mine. So turn this vigorously until the texture is soft while turning it. Add the granulated sugar to your margarine and continue to turn. Foodies, hope you subscribe to my channel and turned on the notification bell so that you'll be getting alerts when I post a new video. Subscription is free. By the way, let me know where you're watching me from so that we can be friends. And of course, I give you a shout out in my next video. Hope you will love that, right? Our mixture is becoming pale and doubling in size. Can you see that? As far as your recipe is not the oil-based recipe, whenever you're mixing your butter and sugar, don't just mix it for a few minutes and then say it's okay. You have to take note of all this. You have to mix your butter and sugar until it is pale in color and as well has doubled in size. Light and fluffy in texture, as what you can see on your screen right now. At this point, you can add any flavor of your choice to your batter. Then continue to mix until everything is combined. Now it's time to add your dry ingredients. We'll be adding our 500 grams of flour we measured earlier, but then we'll be doing this batch by batch. We'll pour in a little bit of the flour, turn, and then go ahead to add your whisked egg to your batter. Do this batch by batch and not to overwork your batter. Now it's time to prepare your baking pan. I'll have to go ahead to cut out my parchment paper. You can call this parchment paper or baking paper. I am using groundnut oil to grease my pan. You can go ahead to use your margarine or butter to grease your pan. While greasing your pan, make sure you apply oil at all corners of your baking pan. Scoop in your batter to your baking pan. This 500-gram mixture will give us 2 cake pan of 7 inches. So after that, I'll have to put this in the oven. If I want to check if the cake is done, I have to insert a knife or skewer into it. When it comes out dry, that means our cake is ready. Add 250 grams of margarine to a bowl, then mix. Add your icing sugar 500 grams. Mix everything together gently and make sure to sieve your icing sugar. Do this batch by batch until you get a smooth texture. Now we are done frosting our cake and we've achieved a smooth buttercream. Hope you pay detailed attention on how we achieve this smooth butter you're seeing here. So the next step we are going to do is to now do the extra decoration, which is piping and adding extra details needed to make this cake look outstanding and beautiful. So when decorating your cake, just try to be creative with it. I added some glitter and then some golden leaf to it just to make it pop out. After that, I had to start preparing my royal icing just to like give it like a dent, a red colored dent on it, more like a polka dot. So I'm bringing out my egg white. I'm going to use only the egg white to achieve this and then scoop in some icing sugar. At this point, I am not measuring any of my ingredients, rather I'm looking at the consistency of what I want to achieve. So just make it not watery, not thick, just in between, and then you go ahead to add your color. And there you have it, a beautifully baked and decorated cake made right in your kitchen. I know you like what you see, right? Let me know in the comment section what you would like me to make next. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious fun every week. See you in my next one. Bye!